Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to create an exam and later I'm going to create a group so you can see how it's done. You log in to your account and click on tests. Then you click here, new test, and you do the test name and then start adding questions. This is very simple. Then you select here in fixed questions, the blue button, fixed questions, add this test. And here we are going to select the type of question or the type of exam that we are going to have. You can edit this per question, but we are only going to do one. So I'm going to select essay. And then we are going to put the question. Good. Then what we need to do is go all the way down and click Save. Once we've done that, we are going to click on the top in the blue button that says Back to Test. Good. So our test is created. What we are going to do now is to continue with the settings of the test. Here at the right, we have an assign and select settings. Click there. And you are going to select group because via link, since you don't have the premium account, you will not be able to see what they answer. So we are going to assign to group. Later, I'm going to show you how to create a group. Okay, I'm going to do it here in test group and click next. Then now I'm going to do the settings of the test. So we have several options. We can do it available only for one time or whatever. We are going to leave it in available. In attempts, I would advise you to put 2 attempts in case that you have a student that just doesn't know how to use the system and has an issue, then that student will have another opportunity to take the test. Or you can just click 1 and that's it. Then for test introduction, always leave it yes so that they can see what they're going to face. Taking test, this is the important part, okay? Time limit, yes, we are going to put 40. Now, we just need to save the changes. In resume later, please leave it no. And then we have answers, mandatory, that doesn't need to be changed. Email results, no. Printing, no. There is something here. Give me a moment. Okay, we don't need to do that. Okay, so let's just continue. Save as my default setting. Let's put it like that in case that we need to do another exam. Assign. And that's it. Now, I'm going to close this video. I'm going to finish this one, and then I'm going to show you how to do a group and how to assign the students to the group. Good? Good. Let me click on Preview Tests. And this is what your students are going to see when they go into the exam. And here is, as you can see, it doesn't have a corrector included, so that's not going to be a problem. You click Finish Now, confirm Finish Now, and that's it. The exam will say how much they got, but since we do not put points on it, it's going to give them a 0. Good, so that's it. Let's go back.